In this video we will see how to create a scientific poster in your Canva. So guys, if you want to create scientific poster, so guys, it is very easy. For this, first of all guys, you click on the option of new. After that, here you simply search the poster. Here you see that we have the different type of posters: poster in landscape, portrait, research paper poster, advertise poster. I like to A2 poster. Okay, after that, this is your blank page. Now here you see this is always suggest, but here you simply search the scientific poster. Now here you see marine life study, scientific method, scientific process, scientific method. Lot of posters are available. So I like the first one. You just click it, and guys, here you see, and you also check this one. It is more beautiful than others. Okay, here you see this is look like a real paper. After that guys, you simply click on the option of share. Here you go download and download. So this is the way that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.